I want to have an honest conversation with you, not the conversation that most real estate professionals have when a family from New Jersey asks whether Vero Beach can replace the life they have built. The comfortable answer is to tell you that it can replace everything. The honest answer is more useful, and in my experience, it is the one that actually earns the trust of the people I most want to work with. My name is Bryk. I have been selling luxury real estate exclusively in Vero Beach for 35 years, alongside my partner, Vance Brinkerhoff. We have closed over 2,000 transactions and more than $1.2 billion in sales, all within this single market. Real Trends has verified us in the top 1.5% of all realtors in the United States. Apple News named us among the top 10 most trusted realtors in Florida in 2025. 35 years in one market gives you a perspective that no credential can substitute for. I have watched families arrive here with anxiety about what they would find. I have watched them build relationships that they describe 5 years later as the best of their lives. I have also watched buyers who were oversold on a Manhattan comparison leave within a year. The difference consistently is honesty at the front end of the conversation. So here it is. Vero Beach is not Manhattan. It does not have the Metropolitan Museum, the Philharmonic, or the restaurant density of a city of 8 million people. Anyone who tells you it does is telling you what they think you want to hear. What Vero Beach offers is something different, and for the family at this particular stage of life, frequently something better. It is a complete, high-quality social and cultural life built on depth rather than density, on genuine relationships rather than transactional networking, and on the kind of private, unhurried engagement with beauty, sport, and conversation that the pace of metropolitan life rarely permits. The Vero Beach Museum of Art is a nationally recognized institution with a permanent collection of genuine quality and an ambitious visiting exhibition program that regularly surprises visitors from New York. Riverside Theater is a professional equity company producing a full Broadway caliber season, not community theater, a real company with a real budget and a real standard. The Vero Beach Polo Club anchors a social calendar that draws serious players and a sophisticated audience. The Indian River Lagoon and the Atlantic offshore deliver world-class sport fishing that brings serious anglers from across the country. The private clubs, Johns Island, Grand Harbor, Quail Valley, maintain championship golf courses and membership rosters that include former Fortune 500 executives, investment managers, and business owners whose names would be recognizable in any boardroom in the country. That is the peer group, and it is one of Vero Beach's most powerful and least advertised assets. The families who relocated from Bergen County, Morris County, and the Upper East Side did not come here to be around people who are trying to arrive. They came here to be around people who already have and who chose a community that lets them live without performing it. The dinner conversations are substantive, the friendships are genuine, the social calendar is full, and it is all conducted at 66% less than the price of comparable luxury product in Naples, with zero state income tax from the first day of Florida domicile, and with JetBlue daily nonstop service from JFK and American Airlines nonstop to Charlotte, connecting you to the world and to your Manhattan relationships whenever you need them. The families who love this market are the ones who were told the truth before they moved. The truth is that Vero Beach is not a smaller version of Palm Beach. It is a fundamentally different aspiration, quieter, more genuine, more private, and for the executive who has spent a career being visible, more aligned with the life they actually always wanted to live. That is the conversation I want to have with you. Call me at 772-713-9455. or reach Vance Brinkerhoff at 772-913-3426. Visit FloridaEastCoastLuxuryHomes.com. Live well with Coldwell.